Takhar is one of the 34 provinces of Afghanistan, located in the northeast of the country next to Tajikistan. It is surrounded by Badakhshan in the east, Panjshir in the south, and Baghlan and Kunduz in the west. The city of Taloqan serves as its capital. The province contains 17 districts, over 1,000 villages, and approximately 1,113,173 people, which is multi-ethnic and mostly a rural society. Between the early 16th century and the mid-18th century, the territory was ruled by the Khanate of Bukhara. It was given to Ahmad Shah Durrani by Murad Beg of Bukhara after a treaty of friendship was reached in about 1750, and became part of the Durrani Empire. It was ruled by the Durranis followed by the Barakzai dynasty and was untouched by the British. During the three Anglo-Afghan wars that were fought in the 19th and early 20th centuries, it was established in 1964 when Takhar Province was divided into three provinces: Baghlan, Kunduz and Takhar. During the 1980s Soviet-Afghan War, the area fell under the influence of Rabbani and Ahmad Shah Massoud. It was controlled by the Northern Alliance in the 1990s. It experienced some fighting between the Northern Alliance and the Taliban forces. Takhar holds notoriety as the location where Mujahideen commander Ahmad Shah Massoud was assassinated on the 9th of September 2001 by suspected Al-Qaeda agents. International Security Assistance Force took over security responsibility of the area in the early 2000s, which was led by Germany. The province also began to see some developments and the establishment of Afghan National Security Forces. In a small incident in July 2008, the Afghan National Police killed Mullah Usman when several armed Taliban militants under his command raided a police checkpoint in the Kalafgan district. This was the first time since the fall of Taliban regime in 2001 that the Taliban insurgents engaged police in this province. Mullah Usman was the most senior Taliban commander in the northeast region of Afghanistan. According to the Afghan Interior Ministry, in May 2009, Taliban insurgents fighting Afghan government attacked the Baharik district in Takhar Province. A bomb attack on the 28th of May 2011 killed Muhammad Dod and injured Governor Taqwa. Several German soldiers and Afghans were also killed. In April 2012, the water supply at the Rostak District School for Girls was poisoned by unknown insurgents, sickening at least 140 Afghan schoolgirls and teachers ranging in age from 14 to 30, causing them to be hospitalized and some to partially lose consciousness, though there have been no deaths so far. On October 26, the 7.5 MW Hindu Kush earthquake shook northern Afghanistan with a maximum Mercalli intensity of 8. This earthquake destroyed almost 30,000 homes, left several hundred dead, and more than 1,700 injured. The current governor is Abdul Haq Shafiq. The border with neighboring Tajikistan is monitored by the Afghan border police. All law enforcement activities throughout the province are handled by the Afghan National Police. A provincial police chief is assigned to lead both the ANP and the ABP. The police chief represents the Ministry of the Interior in Kabul. The ANP is backed by the military, including the NATO-led forces. As of 2021, the total population of the province is about 1,113,173, which is mostly tribal and a rural society. The main inhabitants of Takhar Province are Uzbeks, Taiks and Pashtuns. Agriculture and mining are the main industries of the province. Takhar has coal reserves of fairly good quality which are being exploited by hand in some villages and sold in the region. The local population considers gold the most relevant resource for the province. Gold is being washed in Takhar River, and about 2 kilograms are being transported to the specific weekly markets in the city of Taloqan. Also, the city is a main source of construction materials like loam, sand, and different types of stones. Takhar Province is known for its salt mountains, and you can find large deposits of fine salt in the region. The Takcha Khanna salt mine is one of the growing number of salt supplier for the population of Takhar and northern Afghanistan. While the mines offer economic opportunities in the region, The availability of iodized salt considerably reduces the prevalence of health problems related to iodine deficiency.